Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. It's February 21st, and we're going to take a quick look at how our sweet potatoes that we've started growing slips are doing, and we're going to plant some store-bought sweet potatoes, and we're going to see how that turns out. Now, we have our sweet potatoes out here at the grow station. Now, this batch over here is not on the heat mat, but these others are. We've went ahead and put them on heat, get them germinated. Now you can see how well some of these are. The ones that were at the edge, remember some of them had longer shoots getting started, and we've got some stuff popping up there in that one, and good growth in this one. Those will be really big early on compared to some of the others, and that's where we're sitting with those. Now let's go in and look at this project. Now we've purchased some sweet potatoes. I purchased these from local produce wholesalers. They do a lot of retail there too, but these I believe are Covington's, but they were grown in Ava, Texas, which is fairly local to us. But most of your sweet potatoes, and I don't know if these were sprayed or not, but they're sprayed with a growth inhibitor. So what ends up happening is that keeps them from growing. Get them in the stores, because when a sweet potato starts growing, you end up with a problem about it starts getting fibrous. It loses a lot of its sweetness and such as that. But anyway, we're just going to do a little tub here, and we're going to do a test for all of you that want to grow sweet potatoes from the store. And normally I recommend organic, because organic wouldn't be sprayed with anything. And we're just going to put a little dirt over these, kind of get them covered, just like we did our other ones. This give them just a fair chance as any. And we're going to take and one-handedly, we're going to get some fertilizer, and we're going to sprinkle in here, because these are going to need fertilizer. Organic fertilizer takes just a little bit of time to break down. Now, this soil is a little moist. It's not moist as I would normally do it yet. I will water these in. There's no drain holes in this, so you don't want to overwater. But I've got this in here. We'll kind of shake it down, get it covered good, break up any of that compost that was still together. We'll go ahead and get the last of this dirt in there. And that's going to do us. Simple chore. Like I say, it's February 31st, so we'll know when we started this project. In fact, I think I might actually put a tag in here to be sure. Now, I don't know what variety these are. I haven't even tasted them to taste how good they are. But I'm going to do this project for the sake of y'all that are out there trying to grow sweet potatoes from store-bought that's possibly been sprayed with growth inhibitors, and see how quick these root. I'm sure they're going to root. It's natural for an organism to want to grow. So we'll start out now. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you want to see more content like this, we'll hit the subscribe, hit that button over there, that bell, and select all. Give her a big thumbs up and share this video. Enjoy that gardening experience.